I'm going to show you how to make a delicious herb sauce chicken. By switching out and reducing the quantity of a few ingredients, I will show you how to reduce calories, saturated fat, and sodium. In a bowl or zip top bag, combine 1 pound of chicken and 1/4 cup of flour. Toss until the chicken is evenly coated. Today's ingredients call for 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. These are lower in calories, total fat, and saturated fat compared to chicken with skin. So just by removing the skin from the chicken or buying skinless chicken breast, you save on calories for this dish. I sliced my chicken breasts in half to thin them out, which helps with even cooking and speeds up the cooking time. Always re-wash your hands with soap and water after touching raw poultry. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat in a skillet. Add your chicken and then re-wash your hands with soap and water. Sear the chicken on both sides until it's golden brown. And it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees on a food thermometer. Once you reach this temperature, remove the chicken from the pan and keep warm. In the same pan, I'm going to add the remaining tablespoon of oil and the minced onion or shallot. Compared to onions, shallots offer a milder taste and odor. You can substitute one for the other in equal amounts. At this point in the recipe, you can also add other vegetables like mushrooms or spinach. Be sure to saute the vegetables to remove as much moisture as possible. Extra fluid could make the sauce runny. Once the onions become translucent, the next step is to deglaze the pan by adding unsalted chicken stock, lemon juice, and the everyday salt-free seasoning blend. To help cut back on the amount of sodium in meals, look for the nutrient content claims on the packaging label and use the nutrition facts label to choose products with less sodium, reduced sodium, or no salt added. The chicken stock in this recipe is a great example of a no salt added product. You'll want to scrape the fond, which are the delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan, to incorporate them into your sauce. The flavor of the sauce can be changed by adding different herbs and spices or salt-free seasoning blends. Next, I will bring this all to a boil until the mixture has reduced by half. When you notice that the mixture has reduced to about half, reduce the heat to medium-low and stir in the non-fat evaporated milk. Keep simmering until it thickens a little. The great thing about non-fat evaporated milk is that it's shelf-stable and can be a staple in your pantry. As you can see in this recipe, this type of milk helps to reduce the amount of fat while preserving the creaminess of the sauce. Continue to simmer the mixture until it's slightly thickened. Then, return the chicken to the pan and coat it in the mixture. This is such a versatile dish. You could pair it with brown rice and roasted vegetables, or pair the chicken with a side salad for lunch. Adding herbs and spices and making a few simple changes to a recipe will help you reduce added sugars, saturated fat, and sodium, and you will still have a great tasting meal. For more information about healthy eating, check out myplate.gov. It's an easy to navigate website with so many helpful resources.